So now that we know that we're dealing with seasonal discomfort, let's look at what essential oils can help support the body with that in a natural way. You're welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're glad you have found us. Today I want to show you a really super easy natural saline solution with essential oils that you can make in the comfort of your own home for pennies per drop. Let me tell you a story about our son. Now, this is the same son, Josiah, that has been dealing with a lot of sinus stuff for many, many years. If you're new to our channel, make sure you go back to our original video of how we got started in all of this. We'll link that above for you. If you're new, we're glad that you have found us. Make sure you hit the subscribe and bell notification so you can find about future content on this amazing channel regarding essential oils for you, specifically for your health. So my son Josiah has been dealing with occasional bloody noses over the last year and a half. And of course, the first few times that it happens, you're like, oh, maybe, the weather changed, or it's too humid, or, you start to reason all of these things. But when it becomes more frequent, that's especially as a mom, you become concerned. So we took him into our doctor's office. Of course, they did blood work. They checked him out, make sure everything was okay. And of course, the blood work came back that he has some seasonal discomfort. So what does that mean? Like when something is blooming and you get the itchy, watery, runny eyes, you get inflamed in your nose, you got a runny nose, and attributed to seasonal. And so he recommended that he would try a nasal spray. But on our way home from the doctor's office, I was looking up online. Adrian, my husband, said, hey, why don't you look online and see what are the side effects of that? We've not chosen to do that type of approach. So let's see what's going to happen if we do that. And actually, one of the side effects for the particular nasal spray is it causes more nosebleeds. Oh my gosh. So as a mom, you're like, okay, wait a minute here. Do I want to do anything that would really perpetuate the problem that we're already having? So no, let's step back and analyze the situation. So now that we know that we're dealing with seasonal discomfort, let's look at what essential oils can help support the body with that in a natural way. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a natural saline solution that's non-toxic. Remember, we're only using doTERRA essential oils. They're certified pure therapeutic grade, meaning we're going to get a therapeutic response. We're looking for a medicinal benefit when we're utilizing doTERRA. If you're new to our channel, make sure you go back and watch the video. We'll link that above for you regarding why Adrian and I chose to partner with doTERRA, why we chose to implement doTERRA essential oils into our home. We would not trust any other company with oils on and in our bodies. That is 100% for sure. So come on over and let me show you how easy it is to make this little blend. Okay, so the 4 oils that are made up of this solution is tea tree oil, rosemary, frankincense, and lavender. All of these are going to work really well together for seasonal threats. If you are new to doTERRA, you're going to love the video I did recently on frankincense. We're going to go ahead and link that above for you as well, where I talk about the top things that you can do with frankincense. So this one of them is also a nasal spray. Okay, so you can get, this is a 2-ounce nasal spray that I found at my local store. And we're going to do 1 drop of these precious oils. So 1 drop of lavender. Now, lavender has amazing antihistamine benefits that is occasional threats for seasonal discomfort. This is going to be excellent. So 1 drop of lavender, 1 drop of frankincense, 1 drop of rosemary. All of these are excellent for aromatic support, for respiratory support, and 1 drop of tea tree that has amazing purifying benefits. So 1 drop of all of those oils. So 4 drops of essential oil, pennies per drop, okay? And then to make it a saline solution, we want to use a pink salt. And we're looking for the extra fine pink salt, not the coarse one, the extra fine pink salt, the Himalayan salt. So just a little bit of that. You really just need a pinch of that in your bottle. Okay, just going to stick a little bit of that in there. All right. And then pure water. Make sure to not overfill it to leave room for the spray. Okay, look how easy this is, my friends. Okay, make sure we're leaving room at the top for the spray to fit back in there. And that is as easy as that. So now you have an easy to make natural saline solution, 4 drops of precious essential oils and you go ahead and prime it a little bit, you're ready to go. Okay, so my son Josiah uses this every morning and every night. He just goes in and mists both nostrils, one mist in each nostril, and just lets it kind of drip out. He'll wipe the extra, but he doesn't blow it out. Just let it sit in there, let it do its work, and the saline solution is amazing. Think about it, as a kid, every time we would go to the ocean and spend time in the water, and how amazing that is, not only for your skin, but also for your respiratory system. Okay, so easy as that. It's fabulous. You're absolutely going to love it. Easy to do, saves lots of money, and this will last you a really long time. Okay, so back to my story with our son Josiah. Over the last month, we have been using this spray morning and night in our home. And in the last month, he's only had one nosebleed. So as a mom, of course, I'm celebrating this win, because with a natural alternative, we were able to support his little body. So thank you so much for watching today. Please comment below and let us know what was your favorite part of this video. And also, you don't want to miss our next video where we'll talk about what to do if you have occasional ear discomfort. I hope you have a fabulous and healthy day today. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it super exciting and helpful to take a peek into the world of essential oils. As always, we appreciate your comments and feedback. Be sure to comment below and let us know what was your favorite part of this video. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, you don't want to miss our next video.